He's leveling up.
Levels be leveling.
Levels be leveling. Levels be leveling. Let's see what they do here to the old. Rejection.
No, we're just hitting all-time high after all-time high, bro. It's okay.
I know. Ding, 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 ding. Look at why I'm just off the open, dude. Having a panic attack off the open. He's trying to break here. But they want to make it tricky.
Tricky.
Definitely divergence. Divergence. Yes, already wow. End of EWAP, basically. Pretty big selling off the open. Good morning, chat. Good morning, people. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, beautiful people. Cool. This is getting the selling I want. I want near-term volume point of control. I want it. I want it. I want it. I want volume point of control. Would be nice. Something to work with. Oh, look at this. Pinned and went. Oh, if this holds, dude, I want to take this long, actually. This is really nice. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm long, dude. I like this a lot. If this can hold. Put my stop here at this low. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Let's see.
Good reaction here. Really good reaction. Opening drive. Look at that push. Nice. Oh, my goodness gracious. Lovely. Is this going to be the breakout? So am I going to get the breakout finally on this YM daily chart? I want this breakout here up through 822. I kind of want to add one more actually into 822. Can I? I don't know if I can. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. I'm risking $400 actually on this. It's a lot of risk. I'm just going to keep it at 1. Not be too aggressive here. Very nice. Pull back to hold, though. Wow.
That shit is tricky. Tricky.
Definitely.
I'm almost at my take profit for macro strategy.
Beautiful. I know. I was hyped for you. I saw that overnight. I was like, oh, MSTR is ripping, dude.
Yeah, that shit's gone.
Like, get this man fucking everything. Give him all of it.
Need it.
Give him all of it, bro. Need this to stay bullish above this trend line here.
Morning chat.
I need it to. Stay bullish. I don't know if we're going to get a breakout today, but maybe we do. If we get a breakout of this prior day high, this thing wants to go for 47,000, which is really nice. That'd be really nice to work with if we can get something like that. Wow, this thing is just doing some good stuff here. 46,800. Well, here comes 46,800, Drew. Let's see. It has been a pain in the ass to break. So far, though, I just really liked this at the open, how I had this trend line and it failed to go lower, swept this and reclaimed everything. It's pretty bullish. Here's the 800 here. This is where they're going to try to do some stuff. Can't believe this is still the first 5-minute bar. Crazy. Divergence. Big divergence here. Everything's selling, but YM is ripping. Might have the diamond in the rough today. Ooh, fat rejection at 800. I need to rip through prior day high, like an aggressive one. That's what I need. That is what I need.
Shit is tricky.
Decent action, not bad. I respect your rule, Drew. I do respect that. It's a good rule to have. 15 minutes. If I just didn't see such a clear setup here, I would have done the same, but it's fine. I wanted to add a risk too, but it's just like I can't risk way more than this. Can't really put on more risk than this. I don't want to. Not at the open. Damn, this thing is just struggles with 800. He needs to get through it. They're trying to buy it though. Very decent. Trying to buy it. Can we get through 800 here? Oh, there we go. Trying. Coming into prior day high. $800's like molten lava. But it is nice I have enough breathing room to work with. I'm not stressed on the pullbacks. I'm sized appropriately.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It ain't no fun.
Let's see. Let me bring up the info line.
Where's the next fair value gap bullshit? Fair value gap, bro.
1 second. I think somebody's at my door.
Oh shit, dog. $800, tricky, tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky, tricky. I feel like this could go for at least fucking. This might want the breakout, dude. 819 is new high. Here we go. Hear those dopamine dings? Ripping. I hear them. Probably 875s at least. I mean, I'd want to go for the full breakout. That's just a really big hold to go for. I don't know if I want to do that. But we're going. We're getting some love here. We are getting some love. I'll go for the low of here. 879 area. 883. This thing is some love, dude. Look at this hourly bar. Pretty nice. 840s. Divergence. Big old divergence.
Oh, cool.
I do want 870s. If they could not reject this so hard, that'd be nice. Man, they really beat that up. I feel like I have trust issues with YM.
So you got trust issues?
Yeah.
I mean, I would too, honestly.
Yeah, I got trust issues with YM. Big rejection of prior day high here. I don't like. Extremely dislike this rejection. Oh, I cut this, dude. I don't want to let all this profit go into fucking nothing. It's a really ugly bar prior day high.
I'm surprised you took the trade.
Huh?
I said I'm surprised you took the trade.
Yeah, I just really liked the break and hold of this wedge and then holding view up and everything here at the open. And prior day high is the target. I just want more because I don't have enough size, dude. It was barely a 1-to-1. That's the problem. Yeah, dude, these guys are gonna fucking bamboozle this shit. I'm gonna have to cut it, bro. God damn it. I'm gonna move this way up here. 700. That risk is only 245 if this fails. Just such a good rejection for them, man. Everything else is failing hard. Everything's failing. Let's see. Nice bounce there. Nice bounce there. Get back through 800. The 800 is the tricky thing. Exactly what Drew was saying. Not bad. Need just to flip green. Get back through 800 here. Push. Push back through. Push back through. Break on through to the other side. $800. Molten lava. Molten lava. No, man. I don't think it's going to work. Every time, bro. This YM, it just like doesn't want the breakout. Just gone so sideways.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just looks treacherous. Do I keep the risk or do I cut it? That's the question. That's the age-old question here.
Contract.
Everything's selling hard. So hard to hold this with everything selling so hard.
You still in that? Thought you got out.
No, not yet. I moved my risk up.
You should put it at the end of that consolidation area.
I have it right here. I moved it down from here to here.
Yeah.
See how this holds.
That's a crazy bearish engulfing candle.
What, this one?
Hold on, come back. Yeah, the very first one.
Yeah. Pull back here into DIA VWAP. If it's going to pull back off a prior day high rejection, I mean, this is where it would be to hold. It just everything else is so heavy. It's just really hard to hold this. They're doing a really good job of rejecting. $760. 760.
What's 6 months from today?
Oh wow, look at that.
April.
Right back into
Wow.
800. Crazy reaction there into 800. Can we get through it? Back through it. Okay. 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 Not bad. Not bad here. Right back into prior day high. Bounce with the rest of the market. This might go. This might go. Got a fresh 15-minute bar trying to fill the wick. That's good. This is good. This is bullish. This fills. Probably go for 900s. Actually, really like this. Trying to reclaim 800 now. Can it hold above 800?
She hold.
Can she hold? Oh yeah, she's trying to hold this good. She's trying. I kind of want to add, man. I kind of want to add now. I think I'm going to add. Do I want to add? Do I want to add? You know what? I'm not going to add.
I'm not adding shit.
I'm not going to add. I just don't want to be super aggressive right now. Even though this is looking a bit more decent. Need this to stay above 800 here. Can't let this can't fail. The 800 battle. The battle of 800. Battle Royale. I like this 15-minute bar attempting to engulf, though, if it can. Can we hold the engulf?
Okay.
Can we hold the engulf? Looks like it's holding pretty decent here. You know what? I am going to add.
Order filled.
I might regret it, but I will put this one here to cover. Just in case. Just in case we get a little slippity dippity.
What's today? October 2nd?
Today is October 2nd. Correct, my friend. Nice push here. Can we get 880s? 880s. 888 is what I wanted. Uh-oh. Hold up here. Hold up here. Hold up here. Decent 5-minute bar. Come on. Keep us up here. Close up here. Close up here. Close up here, my friend. And go. Just push. Just rip. Rip right through the highs. 888. That's what I want. Ripstick.
There you go.
Ripstick. 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 Give me ripstick. Overshoot a prior day high on QQQ. To attempted reclaim. Are they going to reclaim it? Doesn't look like it. It don't look like it, my friend. Come on, push through this, dude. Just go.
Tricky.
Just fucking go. Just fucking go. Let's see. Getting close here. Give us the ripper, dude. Rip stick it, man. Stop with the fucking fuckery up here. I don't like this. I don't like this. Right at the highs. No. Just work.
That's all you got to do is just work. Fuck.
Just put in some fucking leg work, dude. Break out. Fucking break out, bro.
Elbow grease. What the fuck, bro?
Oh my god, these guys are fucking ridiculous, dude. I might just fucking take this. I'm over this shit. Let's see. Retest of the 800 here. There we go. Wow. Strong reaction. Really strong reaction off 800. Really nice reaction there off 800. Push the new highs here. Dude, fucking go. Come on. Push. Push it. There we go. There we go. A little more.
Push it. Push it. Yeah.
New high. There we go. Dopamine, ding it up. Ding her on up. Sprint us. Keep sprinting. Put on your sprinting reels and sprint on in.
I just posted my first
leap in the leap channel.
Yeah. I'm going for block. I just entered on block swings.
Block. Ooh, the old square.
The old square.
The old square. Look at this hourly bar. Can we talk about this hourly bar? This thing is fucking beasting, dude.
Damn, that's just huge. That's a Randy candle.
That's a Randy candle if I've ever seen one, dude. Look at this fucking ripper on the hourly.
Definitely a Randy candle.
Definitely a Randy candle. And we're getting a reclaim now, prior day high on the Qs, which is good. This might be the breakout day for YM. It's trying to, I mean, it has been breaking out, I guess, basically so far. Just that 800 has been the tricky area. So as long as we stay above 800, we're not in a bad spot. I don't like that. Don't reject too much. I'm sick of the rejections up here, though. I'm really sick of it.
Don't reject too much.
Don't reject too much, man. Come on. Keep me above 800. Keep me above 800. Come on. For Papa. Do it for Papa. Really nice reclaim a prior day high in the Qs. Really, really nice one. That ain't no fun. Can we get the push to 881? Can we get the push to 881? Can we get the push to 881? You know what? I might cover one here just to be safe.
Order filled.
I am. You know what? I am. I'm gonna be a good old non-greedy. I just don't. Just with everything been going on with my trading, I'm like, if I see this go red, I'd probably go on tilts. I'd probably go on tilts. Just saying. I'm just being really realistic with you guys. I'd probably be very upset and annoyed. In fact, I might just take all of it. I'm kind of over it. I want the W on the day. I am.
Order filled.
I'm over it. I'm taking the W. Look at this, guys. Locking out. Boom. $500. 2 green days in a row. Who's the best? Just kidding. Oh, man. This totally is probably keep going. I just, you know, it was off the open. It was a ripper. Tried my best. If I had some bigger cojones right now, I would have held it, but it's okay. We locked out. There we go. Lock boys. Yep. Literally something I wrote in my daily report card, actually. I wrote, I'll read you guys exactly what I wrote yesterday in my review. For changes I need to make going forward / work on from today's section or from today's session, I said, you got put back in the race today, and what has been working well has been taking faster gains in this market. Your job is to put up some green and stack it consistently and get out a drawdown. You can do it, but it's going to take you being up like $500 or so, closing the trade and locking out the day. Stack the win, move on. You also feel so much better when you do this, and you don't want to lose sight of that. Your day feels better. You feel less cloudy. The biggest W with this is the mental feeling of just winning the day and moving on, and then you slowly dig out a drawdown, which is going to be necessary. That's what we do. That's how you take review and you implement it in real time. So I'm pretty stoked on that. Pretty stoked on that. And look at this rejection now. See, I would have been like, oh, you fucking kidding me? Green Day momentum back. Yeah, exactly. So we'll take it, guys. $500. Neat. You know, you can't lose sight of $500, man. $500. What can you get for $500? Let's ask ChatGPT everything you can buy for $500. What are some cool things I can buy with $500? Here we go. $500 is a sweet spot, enough to splurge on something fun, useful, or memorable without being outrageous. Depends if you want experiences, tech, fitness, or luxury. Here's some mixes. Experiences: weekend getaway, you know, Airbnb, concert or sports tickets, private lessons / experience, driving a racing car, flying lesson. Dude, I can go on a guided fishing trip with this shit. Okay, spa day, wellness retreat. I can get a new iPad, just the base model though. Let's not get crazy. Noise canceling headphones, VR headsets. You know, oh my god, the Osmo Pocket 3, exactly what I just bought. Oh, here we go. Fitness lifestyle. I can get a massage gun, recovery tools, adjustable dumbbell set, premium gym accessories. Oh, dude, I can get designer sunglasses with that. You know,
Yo, you're hilarious.
Oh man. Spend all
That's
$500.
funny.
Oh, look at this guy, Wakey. Spend the $500 on flowers for your girl. Man, you're probably good. You're probably a good human, bro. Your girl probably loves you. I'm not gonna spend $500 on flowers for my girl. Sorry, she doesn't get that. Instead, I dropped $3,000 on a cruise for her.
Oh,
I
big
told her
shit.
I told her you can drink as much as you want.
Big shit.
Happy wife, happy life. One rule. So it's a great rule, man.
No,
I've actually read a lot of books on.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, man.
That's
Come
a
on.
horrible rule. That's actually the worst
come
rule
on.
I've ever heard in my life.
Misogynist.
Oh my goodness, call it what you want.
Lawrence Tate.
That is by far the worst rule I've ever heard in my life. Oh my goodness.
Man.
I would never.
Lawrence Tate.
That's funny.
Funny. Horrible.
That is a horrid rule.
Horrible.
Like, I would never.
So real quick, kind of on some technicals here. It's going to end Q just so you guys can see this. You actually got a really nice reclaim of prior day low here. I wonder if it's going to hold. And you got pin bars failing to go lower. I'm sorry, prior day high. My apologies. So when I use prior day high, I use regular trading hours prior day high. Something like this, right? This is how I get levels and reactions. It's not magic. It's just where prices reacted before, right? And so we do overshoot it initially in the moment. Go to the 2 minute here. We do overshoot it, and then we get a nice reclaim bullish bar here. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, what I need to look for more, and I like this. You have a failed attempt to go lower, or you have a bearish bar, I'm sorry. Then you have a bullish engulfing bar, failing to go lower a little bit here, and then reclaiming. This is really good for an entry. Put the stop simply here. So if you literally entered on the close of this bar at 50, your stop is 12. And you would target probably at least VWAP. Does it fully follow through? I don't know. We can't be in charge of that. We don't know what's going to happen. But you'd want to target at least VWAP on something like this. And if you get it, that's a cool, what, 50 up to 90. It's 40 points. This is, let's call it 10. It's like a 1-to-1. It's nothing actually to write home about, but that's the idea. I don't know if we're going to get follow through on this, but that's what I look for usually. Those type of reactions. And the bigger time frame, the better. 5 minute here. Boom, boom. Simp rule. Mitch, onboard me to the APT and just fuck off. Okay. I love you though.
I mean, that is kind of a simp ass rule.
You know, but who's getting
I don't think he's wrong.
You know, well, who's getting more neck from the wife, dude? What's the question?
I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say too much on that one. I'm not going to say too much on that one because I don't even think that may not even be debatable. I'm going to be honest with you.
Okay.
That may not even be debatable.
Yeah, dude, you're psycho, bro. I believe that. You're like
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking fucking Kevin's mud coffee.
Oh, the
mushroom coffee.
Mushroom
coffee,
yeah. You must really like it.
It's good. I fuck with it. It's like because you heat up the water and then I put the mushroom coffee in. It definitely tastes like mushroomy, I guess you can say. So I don't know. I kind of like it though. It's kind of good. It just I don't feel jittery at all from it. There's like really like little to no caffeine in it, but I just feel focused, and I'm like, oh.
I wonder what's in it.
It's a bunch of different type of mushrooms. It's like lion's mane and all the ones that aren't fun. Not the psilocybin. I don't even fuck with mushrooms. My girl likes mushrooms, but I don't. It's not my thing.
Mushrooms are pretty cool. I like mushrooms.
Psychedelics for me have just never been,
Oh, you talking about shrooms, not mushrooms.
Shrooms. Yeah, I'm talking about shrooms. Yeah, that's
okay,
what I'm talking about. Shrooms. Fit real quick. The good exit on YM. You'd be cussing. I would be cussing. I'd be really upset. I know. I need to work on some of my swearing. It's a little bit too excessive, but I blame my my mom's mom, my grandma, and I blame my Uncle Vito. Uncle Vito, who went to prison for loan sharking most of the time. Rest in peace, his soul.
That sounds like he sounds like a mobster.
He was in the Chicago mob, Vito. And when I was young growing up and he got out of prison, they used to, every time they reference him being in prison for a story, they would say when he was in college. So that was like my family's thing. And I would be like, what? But he would always swear. I remember he'd always be like, oh, fucking this, fucking that. And they'd be like, Vito. He'd be like, oh, he's going to hear it anyways. You may as well hear it from me.
I mean, that is a good point. That's a good point. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. So look at this change in here too. NQ, dude. Nice push here. Again, off priority low. It's having some tails, but it's trying to do its thing. It's trying to do its thing. Fit, you love magic mushrooms. Yeah, I don't know. For me, dude, it just like they make me anxious as fuck. I don't know. I've only taken them a few times, and like I remember, like there's like if I planned it out, I was really young when I did them mainly, and I planned it out and like basically it was great. But like I remember I didn't plan it out and I took them spontaneously, and I was like, oh fuck, dude, like this is like that was like induced anxiety. It was terrible. So Drew, Tanner, yesterday, Lawrence was like, oh shit, you got in short again, didn't realize. And your like reaction was like, yeah, fuck you. Yeah, I was in YOLO mode yesterday. I'm just like, dude, I'm over this. But yesterday was good though, because when I did my review, it was like my setup works. I was just too fucking early on it. So that's why like this morning too, I'm glad I waited a little bit on that reaction to VWAP. But gotta know your dose of mushrooms. 1 gram to vibe, 2.5 to feel good, 4 grams to fly. Yeah. Yep. Fly like an eagle. You got any trades, Lawrence? Anything?
Nope, still waiting. My checklist has not been marked off yet.
Exactly. Oh, so in the meeting yesterday for the boot camp. Also, everyone listening, we're announcing it, I think, in like a week or two, the Tampa boot camp. It's going down. So it's going to be sick. There's going to be a lot of cool traders there. Austin's leading it, obviously, ASFX, but like me and Lawrence are going to do a panel together and like do a presentation for everyone. There's quite a few other traders that are going to be there doing presentations and stuff. It's going to be cool. And it's just a really fun weekend. So when that goes live, we have like a discount code for you guys. And just so you know, also for these events, we make like literally no fucking money off of it. It's just events aren't very profitable at all, but in-person events are the shit. So that's why I just love doing them also. So when we do drop it, we have like our discount code or whatever. And like, we're just trying to see like traffic wise, who comes from where and buys tickets. So make sure you guys use the code STRONG to support me and Lawrence when we do drop it. We'd appreciate it.
Pull up. How about that?
Pull up. But yeah, he's talking about we're gonna do like I think we're gonna do like a combo panel. I think not a panel, but like a presentation. I think, Lawrence. So we'll have to dive in on what we're gonna do on that
combo panel.
Like me and you are gonna lead a presentation together.
Oh, okay.
That'd be cool. Yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be good. Man, yeah, this YM.
You're just gonna see 2 big guys up there, like just what the fuck?
We're just gonna be like, we'll have to do something on.
I didn't think you were gonna be as tall as you were when I first saw you, bro.
Dude, I didn't think you were. You're taller than me, bro. You're like.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. That's comparable.
You're like what? You're like 6'4".
That's comparable, bro. I was like, what the fuck? This guy's huge. I was like, I gotta watch how I talk to him.
And it's funny because I met you. I was like, damn, this guy's way bigger than I thought. What the fuck?
You know, I get that a lot. It's because of my camera. You're not the only one that said that. So like how my camera is normally like angling down on me. So
yeah.
and like And I think it's because I got small forearms too that people don't realize that I'm actually have like muscle mass.
You got the military like build, like broad
Yeah.
build though. You got the broad shoulders.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, this YM, I would have been fucking punching my screen, full tilting, breaking everything. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
I
That's just so
literally
long.
exited out of intuition up here going, yeah, I'm over it. I don't want to be greedy. And that's what I'm trying to lean into right now, man. I'm like, it's already moved X amount. Because this is what's been happening, bro. Is like we just don't get full follow through to bigger targets. And this shit would have fucking
I kind of feel like YM is really like it's almost like an individual stock where it's like it's either going to push one direction or the other. Like it's like
it does usually. It really does. And that was the whole thesis today is like this. Because when we get a breakout on YM, it'll fucking break out like good. Like right here, this daily bar. Look at this, just above these highs, flat top breakout over 46, 184. This thing fucking rips, right? And so, like, that's kind of what I was looking for today. I was like, all right, well, we did have the pin up here, so that's the only difference on it. But like, I'm basically watching this high of 820 because it's like all these fucking wicks, right? And then of course, still they just fucking pin it back and bring it back. And so it's like, I don't know, like that's again when it comes to doing review and like making changes. You don't need to change your whole entire like strategy. I'm still trading when I'm trading, right? Reactions to levels, but like changing expectations of how far they go. So I look back on a lot of these trades I've been taking too. It's like they're green for a bit and then they end up reversing or something, or I don't feel comfortable with how much I made on it. So I become a greedy asshole. So I'm like, that's something I'm like, all right, what's an actual tangible change I can make? Well, it's like, well, when we're getting close to target or we finally run an intraday structure high, it's like, then take the gains. And just just whatever, just move on. So it's like that's what I did today.
yeah.
Chan, the roto rules. Remember the roto rules, brother, in full effect today. I love you. Yep. Yeah, Chandler did that presentation on rotation a long time ago. And yeah, basically it's like all of them want to play catch up, right? That's what you're trying to say. Money is clearly rotating. They all wanted to play catch up finally. And looks like what it is. Chan, I love how Chan's lurking in the background supporting. Chan is the man. Can you withdraw that, or do you have to get over your starting balance in the live account to withdraw again? No, technically, if you have a green day and you're under the starting balance, they'll let you withdraw, I think, up to $500. So it's like, you can't take tons out, but it's cool they still let you like pull out something, which is good. But I'm just gonna keep building this balance. Once I get back above, I think like 7 or 8K, then I'll probably I'll take a couple of payouts. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Jay, I hate these fucking hedge fund guys playing games. Give me my TP. Are you long? Are you long NQ? I take it, Jay. Looking for VWAP, I would assume. You might still get it here if you are long. Damn, what a fucking dump on YM, dude. Look at this 15-minute bar of treachery.
Jeez.
Remember that hour? Oh my god, how's the hourly bar look we just talked about? Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's awful. But you know what? This is going to come down into volume point of control and probably hold this down here.
That's crazy.
That's a crazy one, dude. That's some crazy work.
It is.
What's up with Netflix? Dude, Netflix. I wanted to short Netflix for all that shit. Do you see that shit on Twitter with Netflix?
No, it was like the trans thing with kids or something.
Yeah, there's some fucking show that's like
what was going on?
It's like encouraging kids to like be trans, like when they're young, like make that decision. It's like
that's insane.
I hate that shit, dude. You can be whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. I really
leave the kids out of it.
Leave the kids out of it, bro. It's like let their brain fucking develop. Don't make choices for them. It's disgusting.
Like I think that kids are really like the golden that's like the golden rule. Like even like when it comes to like mobsters or even like that underground, like they don't fuck with kids for the most part like that. And you guys are over here involving kids. Like that's just like the golden rule.
Yeah. Yeah, this Netflix short is fucking really nice though. 92.
$32. Yeah, this shit's selling off crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty good short.
It may
I
have
remember
some. It has some room to go too. Like this
I
shit
know I
might go
wanted to
down.
take
So
this morning. I forgot about it.
let me see. I would take this down to at least.
You got the 200
Oof.
there at
Because
1092, and then the next structure I have on there would be like 1064. Probably it could have damn near 100 more points, probably.
bro, I don't even want to say what I think that I see, but I'll leave it alone. It sounds crazy.
It's gonna reverse.
This shit can get to this shit could probably go to 900, bro.
Fit. I love that.
Possibly.
That's how they make the future generations weak, so they have total control. Strong men and families stand in the way of government total control. Yeah. Fuck the government.
That's true.
Damn, that's why I'm just really ate shit, dude. How's NQ for everyone? You got any trades, Lawrence? What are you doing? I'm locked out here, just fucking.
Oh, I still haven't got my shit.
Jay,
Bro.
Jay, if you're still on this long, hopefully you get the reclaim here. And if you're able to hold through this pullback, fucking hold it for VWAP. See if we get it.
Hold it.
84 is your target, Jay. If you are still in. Long from prior day high. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Jay is taking. I love it. I love it, Jay. Let's see. Hopefully you get the follow through here, Jay. Long from prior day high. Otherwise, you got to keep your stop here. I do like this 5-minute bar for you, how it pinned and it's trying to reclaim. This is exactly what you want. You want a rip stick now, right into 84 or 85 even. Yep. Give it to Jay. Let's get Jay a TP right here. Let's get Jay a TP. Let's get Jay the old TP. Give him the old cornholio.
Cornholio. Beavis and Butthead was so stupid, son.
Beavis and Butthead was so stupid, but it's so funny. So like prime dumb brain rot TV. Come on, give Jay his TP, brah. 84, 85s. Give him the fucking ripper stick. I actually love this 5-minute bar that swept this, held here, and now you got the reclaim bar. This looks good. This might go to 100s at least. Let's see. Give it to him. Pause. JP, can you all talk about your trading journey around year 2? That's where I'm at right now, and I'm Googling what bridge I want to jump off from. Oh, my brother.
Bro, year 2 and year 2 and year 3 is like the worst. Year 2 is definitely the worst. Oh my God, good luck. Year 2 is horrible, bro. At least for me.
I see it. So I love these conversations, JP. Thank you for bringing up this question. I was talking about this with Austin, like, because this is something I kind of want to talk about the futures boot camp and like the seminar. Everyone's path is different. Yes, there is some common, like, kind of commonality between some stuff, but like everyone's path is unique and different. It takes everyone different amounts of time. And so it's really hard because this is where the comparison game comes in, and like I should be here, I should be there. But the thing is, like, you're just going to be ready when you're ready. But as long as you keep doing the work, like, you know, you'll get through it. Chan, year 2, buckle up, soldier. Yep.
I'm telling you.
I forget how long it took Chan. Chan, I know it took your brother like 6 or 7 years. So I know it took Taylor like literally, I think 6 or 7 years to finally like kind of like break through. I forgot how long it took Chan, but year 2 for me, Jay. Yeah, let's go. If you're long, pull up your screen. Hopefully Jay took your gains, Jay, if you haven't. Year 2 is interesting for me because I was like really close to being profitable then. I was like starting to grind back. I was like pretty damn close. And I had like really big setbacks that year. Like I remember, I think like I had like quite a few months where I would be like up. I'd be like, oh, I'm up like 4 or 5 grand, sick. And then I have like one day where I would just give it all back. So it's year 2 is really hard. And then like even year 3, year 2 and year
tricked.
3, I think you might have gotten tricked too, right into VWAP.
Yeah, I got tricked.
Where's your stop?
I want to put I could put it at low a day, but right now I have it at 25, 30.
Let's see if they engulf this 5-minute bar, upside down hammer, inverted hammer, you're golden. This will look real. If they can engulf this right here right away, you're golden. But yeah, basically year 2 is tough because like you're starting to build a little bit of understanding and confidence, but you still got to eat shit, bro. You still got to eat shit. It's just part of like what it is. So took me 2.5, nearly 3 years just to break even pretty much. So, and then from there,
yeah, I got tricked.
Yeah, I think you did too, bro. Where's your stop?
50s. I could put it at low a day, but I think I'm just gonna keep it at 50 because if it takes that out, then it's over. Yeah, I got tricked.
It already took it out. Yeah. Yeah, that was a tough one, bro. I'm sorry.
That was my fault, honestly. I kind of like tried to make something happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my fault. Let's see if we hold though. It's not completely over.
Yeah. Sorry, back to that convo, Chan.
Sorry about interrupting you guys too.
No, it's okay. Good rule is to be ready to grind 10 years before it truly clicks. Most get turned off by that statement. LOL, harsh truth. And honestly, it is a fucking harsh truth, bro. But like when you don't set expectations on how long it's going to take, and just, I mean, 10 years, if you don't got it figured out after 10 years, I'd say something's up. But like pretty much, yeah, it just like it takes so long, man. And this was my first true real breakout year. Like I always was doing around fucking 30K, 40K. Last year was like my best year. I finally broke 6 figures, like barely over 100 grand. And then this year is like truly like my breakout year with like everything. And like already this year I'm up like 150 or 160, I think, in profits. So and this is literally, I'm about to hit 6 years in October, in 3 weeks. About to hit 6 years. So yep. And Chan says this, right? You can make so much money after years, but it doesn't mean much. Keeping it is a whole nother skill. And this is really true. You got to find ways to not fuck yourself over. Like for me personally, one thing I do with personal accounts is I never leave excess cash in that shit. Like it's like literally once I have like a nice winning trade or whatever, I have to pull it out and put it in my bank account. So it's like that's what that comes down to for that. It's like you have to have tricks behind that type of stuff. So and just know yourself. Like know like what's going to hurt you. So you've been on the perfect journey, brother. Skipping 0 steps. Yeah, slow and steady. Yep, for sure. Growing pains. Profits from coaching don't count. I know they don't. If I included that, dude, I've made way more money than you've probably ever made. So sorry, buddy. That's why also this was a good year, breakout year. Coaching was good this year. Coaching was good this year. All business was good this year as well. Yeah, business was good. Trading was good. You know, just I worked my ass off to get there. So I love it. You can talk all the shit you want, T. Look at you still lurking in the background. Clearly you like us. If you're still here showing up and you're just butthurt that I've won the past 2 days in a row. That's why you've been quiet, dude. Where are you going to speak up there, buddy, pal, chief, kiddo?
Chief.
Are you still on? Did you get stopped? Did you get stopped?
No, I'm good. I'm good now. Now my setup.
Now it looks fucking good, dude. This bullish reclaim is great. I know, fit, right? I can't trade. 1 minute. Yeah, this 5 minute looks great, dude. Look at this 5 minute bullish engulfing. And this is what I was talking about, these type of signal bars where like you have a really ugly bar here and then it attempts to go, but then we reclaim it. So like we need to get a bullish close up here for you, Lawrence. And I think we're looking much better. The problem is all the ICTers are going to be looking at all these fair value gaps. Well, you got this one at 100. You got this one here at 140s. Which one lines up?
My setup is here, so whatever happens next, I don't give a fuck.
Good for you. Respect. Let's see. Ooh, got YM into volume point of control here. Let's get it. That is your Lawrence model. Look at you, man. Trading your. Oh, I see what you did with the P&L thing. You made it.
Oh,
purple,
yeah.
Purple and blue.
Made it purple and blue. Yeah.
That's kind of rad.
That's dope. That's dope, right?
Yeah, that's rad. What do we do with VWAP here is the real question. What do we do with the old VWAP machine? The old VWAP machine. Let's see. How we doing, chat? How's everyone's day? How's it going, guys? Give me some P&L updates. I know Jay's green. Jay locked that. Good shit, Jay. Great work, man. Let's see. Everyone. T, I would totally congratulate you if you weren't such a piece of shit, because I don't believe you made 27K. No, you did it. Up 750 NQ shorts, nice flat so far. Thanks, bro. I'm up 1.18K or 1.18, 1.1K in all accounts today. Nice, Jay. Good job. My hands off the market this week. Biggest step so far is just keeping and reserving capital. Okay, good. This is good, George. Awesome shit on this. The fact that you're able to do that and just sit out is good. So, Chan, I know. T full of shit, buddy. It's funny. I'm in a demo account, long MNQ. Nice, good. Practicing, love it. 27 rupees doesn't count. I wonder how it feels to go into chat where just everyone shits on you and you just try to prove yourself every day. You know what that's called? That's called ego. And it's just a game you never win. It's so funny.
Oh my god, that was actually funny,
yo. God, it's so
Man,
good.
what the fuck, bro?
So good. So good, dude. Chloe, let's go, KJ. Close out the short on ES.
Oh,
for
just
150.
the 27 rupees don't count.
Oh man, this
Dude is
so good.
crazy. Oh my goodness.
T, where should I send the broker statement? I can show that Tanner can't. Dude, I show my payouts every fucking time. I literally show.
He really does. He actually does.
I literally show everything, bro. Like on social media, I show the wins, I show the losses, I show everything. That's the thing, is you don't have the balls to go on social media and make a personal brand. That's like the funny part, is you're so scared. If you're such a good trader, like, dude, you should be killing it with making a personal brand. You should, bro. Like, this is business life advice for you. Like, if you're actually this good, like legit, like take out all my bias against you of you being a piece of shit. If you're actually this good, you should make a personal brand and you should go post about it, because hopefully you could help people. Because that is the goal, is like, you can help people if you're actually good and know how to help people. But judging on like your character and who you are, you're probably, number one, you're lying. Number two, you suck. So like, you can't help anyone. So it's like, you gotta be a good person. You're not a good person. So it's just hilarious.
Oh my god, Tanner, you're so stupid, yo.
I know. I'm gonna stop giving this guy. This guy loves the attention I give him. I'm gonna stop giving him.
You're funny.
It's just funny. He comes in here every day, just lurking in the shadows, and then like just only speaks up when something goes wrong or negative. But like when I'm winning the past 2 days, of course, he's been quiet cricket in the background. It's just really funny.
Oh man.
Oh god. Still having some trouble here with VWAP. Got to get through it for you. That's what this battle is.
I'm cool with this because I'm only risking $385.
Holy shit. Baba's at 190?
What was that before?
It gapped up another 10 points overnight. This thing just gaps up all the time, dude.
Why is it acting like this?
Because it's a multi-year breakout finally. Like it based for so long. Do you remember this thing ate shit for like 3 years?
Yeah,
And then it's like a multi-year breakout. Oh my god, my last runner on Baba. I don't know if you could see
You
this.
still have one?
I still have one runner. Look at the P&L percentage. Can you see it?
966%. Is it?
Yeah, how insane is that?
That's crazy.
That's crazy. It's one contract up 960%. I wanted to hold this last one for 200 to see if it could get there. Because this Baba, this crazy. This Baba, I think I bought this like 120-ish. I remember at the time buying like, because they were like they weren't leaps, they're just far out calls. And I was like, 180 is a good spot to, I was like, it's kind of aggressive, 180. And here come today, I'm like, oh shit, I'm 10 points in the money on this. This is ridiculous.
I have a marking that I just found on Baba in July 2021, bro.
Yeah, see? It's like, dude, because they ate shit for so long. Baba boys, Chan knows what's up. Baba boys, that's right.
Baba boys.
Oh my god, Baba boys, yep.
Let me add Baba to my watch list, actually.
Crazy runner on that one. Dude, all these Chinese stocks, I feel like they just still have some room to go. It's like for swings, because sector-wise, Chan, let me know what you think on this. Like, because we had so many multi-years of consolidation on all these Chinese names that just ate shit for so long, I feel like Baba's leading the breakout of the majority of them. And then like there's going to be some good catch-up plays. Let me know what you think about that, Chan. But like some of them I'm looking at is like JD. JD's another one. Baidu is already kind of starting to do it a little bit. What are some other fucking Chinese names that aren't insanely scammy? I really only have Baba, JD, Baidu. Let's see. Yep, one of my uncles is Baidu and Baba. Why are you asking? Dude, Chan isn't Asian, bro. You're stupid, T. 100% been watching Baidu JD. They definitely got catch up. Yeah, I think the catch up trade would be a decent one on those. I've been looking at this JD swing.
You guys are fucking funny, bro.
At lie, look at this, man. JD was one of the first options I ever bought. Yeah, back in the options days, dude. That was the OG days, like 2019, 2020. All those Chinese names. Damn, I don't like this rejection for you here at VWAP. Let's see if she might fight through though. I think now you got your stop in a decent spot where this is a good risk reward, bro. This is a nice one.
Yeah, I like it.
Not bad. Baba Def the best to trade though. These names can be hard as fuck to time and the premium bad. Yeah, I mean, careful touching them. LOL, America Great and everything. I do agree. I know it is hard. I think you have to buy time on those, right? And Baba for sure now is like leading with AI and all this stuff. But now the Baba trade feels so overextended. But it's going to feel like that. I know it's not though. Baba will probably get back to 300s, all-time highs. Like it probably will. But timing that now, it's like we need like a deeper pullback of some sort of nature. I think next time we get some decent pullback on Baba, whenever that happens, if we get it, could maybe look to re-enter. But I also just want to. I have this thing where like once I take a trade on something and I crush it, it's really hard for me to like want to like get back in it and get back involved.
Yeah, once it's over for me.
Yeah, it's like it's kind of hard.
And I'm just waiting for a fresh setup.
After at lie, you took $5,000 to $50,000 on AMC. That's sick. That's some ape shit. Did I tell you I don't know if I told you, Lawrence, I met my girlfriend's dad for the first time. They were like, they live up in the Bay and they were visiting. and
she's from the Bay?
She's from the Bay, and
Oh,
he has like some just like investing portfolios and stuff. So he's asking me some stock stuff. This dude during GameStop, the run-up era, this guy just happened to own shares of GameStop because it was a good dividend stock at the time.
Oh,
and then all of a sudden he's like, yeah, and then I made 80 grand off of that.
That's crazy.
I was like, you're probably the only one that didn't actively trade it. You just happened to be like a boomer investor that was holding this name.
Probably forgot all about it.
Yeah, and he's a vision scientist because he's like, you know, kind of nerdy in that sense, but like God bless him. It's like, and so he's just holding GameStop, just like happens to be holding it, and dude makes like 80K off of it. It's so funny. Jordan, you traded like shit, blaming the phone calls while trading. You got to be focused. I always say, how can you put the box around trading? And it's hard for me and Lawrence to do that now on stream because we're like doing kind of both of everything. But yeah, you got to be able to, no phone calls or anything, or you know, that type of stuff.
What, during trading?
Yeah, during trading.
Oh yeah. My shit stays on do not disturb until like when I tell you my phone stays on do not disturb.
You are all the time. I text you out something. I'm like, this guy won't even fucking answer probably.
Yeah, my shit is on do not disturb, bro. I'm not even looking at my phone most of the time.
Good for you, bro. Good for you.
Speaking of that, let me look now.
You're getting some rejection here.
Austin sent a lot of text messages.
Austin always sends a lot of text messages.
Yeah.
That man's businessing at all hours.
All hours. He's always on go, bro. Like, I literally wish I had the stamina, the endurance, and the capacity. Like, my mental, I can only take so much.
He's built different. That short Jewish man is just built different.
Yeah, bro. Quicksilver.
He's just different. God bless him, though. Austin's a good Austin's good in business, bro. He is. I like Austin a lot. Austin's a good dude.
Am I cooked here, Fit? Am I cooked?
Yeah,
I think I might be cooked here.
That's pretty good technical analysis and read. You're definitely in a tough spot because we are rejecting view up still, but we're like, it's either doing some consolidation or distribution right here. One of my higher lows still like it above midnight.
I like it too. This is a good try, regardless. Like, no matter what happens, I think that this trade is a very, very good trade in my opinion.
Yeah, you waited for what you wanted to see and all that shit.
Yeah.
Your MSTR got to 350.
It went to 353. What the fuck?
Was that you? Was that a fire line?
Yeah, that's crazy. I changed my batteries, folks. Don't worry.
Oh my god, dude. Oh man, dude.
I changed my batteries.
I fucking love that. What else? Stock?
Yeah, it went up to 353.22, bro. My take profit is 358. So I might
what's your calls at?
Like percentage?
No, when they expire. When did you say they expire? I forgot.
One of them expires November 21st, and the other expires December 19th.
Okay. Yeah, we're literally pinned. We're pinned right against that 200 right now. Like literally exact. That's why this is digesting so hard. But the cool thing is, if this eventually just breathes through this and gets through, you'll probably get it. You'll get to 358 for sure.
Yeah. So the thing is like I could, because I do have some time on it, so I could wait a little bit longer. But I actually am considering time where I'm like, if I can get like 100, sure. Well, I'm probably at 100 and where am I at? I'm like at 125%. So if I can get like 150% within a week and a half, I'd rather sell than try to go for 300% and it take like a whole another month and then options are dying and you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, and plus, I'm still building the portfolio. I started with 4K. I'm at 10 points. I'm at 10.6 right now.
That's awesome. That's great. That's great growth, bro.
Yeah.
I think we should do like a combo goal next year of trying to do a 100 grand off the swing portfolio.
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah.
I think we could do it too. I mean, this year was a good
No,
year.
it's easier, bro.
It is. It was a good year of testing it for me this year. And so it's like I feel like we could do it, bro. I really do.
I definitely know we can do it. That shit is so much easier than day trading, bro. Like, oh my goodness. It's so much easier.
Just got to buy time. That's the thing. It's just all
That's it.
That's the hard part is me and you from our greedy ways of options of learning it early on is like when you just accept that, like, just buy way more time than you expect. It's more than likely, you know, it's like you have a decent read on the charts. You're probably going to be in a good spot.
Exactly.
I think it's always just a little scary though, putting up like a decent amount of capital into it that you're not used to or comfortable with.
Yeah, if you're like,
you got to be comfortable with it. Like that was me ripping the Band-Aid off this year on that Apple Leaps, putting 11 grand. That was first time doing like 5 figures into a trade. And I was like, all right, here we go. I'm fully ready to accept potentially losing this.
I mean, that's Apple though, and you took a year out. I mean, Apple's not going to die. Like,
for sure.
you
But
know.
I mean, I don't know. Dude, the market can do weird shit, bro. Not that it would die, but like maybe the timing could have been off. Maybe it could have consolidated even longer. You know, it's like
You wouldn't have lost the whole money. You wouldn't have lost all the money, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, that's true.
You would not have. That right there. That's honestly, to be honest with you, that trade right there was the type of trade you put your entire life savings and life net worth on, honestly. Like that is the type of trade you put your net worth on. Like that shit hit a point where it hit that what was it, a moving average?
Yeah, I had the 200 period weekly moving average, which like never gets tested ever.
Right. And then there also, to be fair, there has never been an asset that was worth over $1 trillion and went to zero.
Yep.
Like never.
Yeah, I feel that.
A single asset, never.
I feel that. I think I'm going to take a little.
This trade doesn't look too good anymore.
I know.
I'm gonna stick to it, but
sideways.
Because next thing you know, it's just going to pop up. We're going to get this crazy candle to the upside out of nowhere, or we're just going to die. Either way.
Yep. I wonder if we get this bigger sell-off on Netflix. 92.
He said draw that 1 minute.
1 minute trend line on the higher lows. Yeah. Do like a little wedge, little Tory trades wedge.
We're starting right here.
Yeah, something like that. Yep.
Oh, we about to break past it, aren't we, fellas?
Well, that's the thing. If it does break and hold, then you'll probably be in trouble. But if it doesn't break, or you keep getting pins into it and reclaims, it should be fine.
Or if it breaks and then comes back in and fake out, do like a little fake out and then shoots up probably. But it doesn't look good. This shit's about to break.
It looks like it, but
yeah, good. Look at,
dude, is Tesla all-time highs? Did it hit all-time highs today? Oh
bro, God. Tesla, bro, this dude, bro, I literally saw this dude, no glazing. I literally saw this dude, Scarface, put $2 million on Tesla when it crashed all the way at a low. I know this man is wealthy right now.
Yeah.
Like I literally saw him put $2 million on Tesla when it was at a low.
Killer, dude.
And sent that shit. I was like, bro.
Killer.
I'm cooked here, chat.
JP, y'all got to bring Tori on the live stream for one time. You know, I actually haven't connected with Tori. It's like one of the few influencers I haven't really talked to. Give her flowers. I don't think my girlfriend would like that. Pretty bearish engulfing bar here.
Okay.
Not looking too sexy for you.
Cooking.
Not gonna lie.
Anything can happen in the markets.
Anything can happen in the markets.
Get back in there. Come on. Yeah, get back in there.
Push it. Watch this.
This doesn't look good though. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose this one.
Jordan, cool off, brother. I'm so pissed right now. We all go through it, man. Take a breather. Definitely don't trade again. Take a step back. Take some breathers. We all get pissed, man. Lawrence probably gets more mad at things like that than I do. Surprising.
What happened?
He was just like distracted by a bunch of stuff all morning, he said.
Oh.
And he's just like, I'm pissed because there's so many damn distractions.
Yeah, that will piss me off. Not necessarily a lost trade. That will piss me off for sure.
Yeah. Think you could outbench Tori? I believe so. I don't know if she really lifts weights.
I think Tori will make an amazing R&B album.
Yeah, this looks like it's about to take you. It's okay, Sam. I think Jordan's just he's just venting, you know. He said it's on him. He's just venting. Jordan's a local here in the chat. He's a good dude.
Gay. This is so gay.
This
fucking
is pretty
faggot.
gay.
Fuck you.
Oh, look at you bringing out the non-PC words.
Oh, sorry. Was I not
cancel culture? Where are they at, dude?
I was not supposed to say that.
Dude, you can say anything you want. You're black.
That is true. That is true. But you can't.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't. I can't. Not.
Oh my goodness.
I'll never drop a hard R in front of you.
Jesus, you gotta write it down, man. You remember he said that shit? You remember fucking did you see that video?
No, what video?
Fucking what's his name? Theo. He was like, I don't know why people say the N-word. I just write it when I gotta get it out, I just write it down. I was like, yo, what? He was talking to Drewski when he said that shit, bro. And I think me and Drewski, I was like, yo, like I had the same reaction as Drewski. I was like, what, bro?
Oh man.
I just write it down.
Oh man.
All
right. That's it. He's locking out. Good loss though, dude. Nice and controlled. $300. That's what makes you fucking killing it.
Yeah, that was definitely a whatchamacallit.
Bamboozle.
Yeah, no, they got me. They got me for sure.
Yeah. Shout out the chat for giving Jordan a little bit of accountability there. It's all love. We all try to say good things in the chat. You know, there's only a couple of people that are actually dickheads, and we all know who that is. So other than that, it's all love.
Oh my god.
Trying to help each other. Theo Vaughn. Oh my gosh, it's funny. All right, guys, that's it. That's the day. Tomorrow we'll be on stream with Austin and trying to end it strong. That's what we'll try to do. Go from there. So
user.
Thanks for all joining. Peace.